Hi guys, today I'll be showing you my puppet. It's Beenu. I'm watching a video with a very different puppet, and it's called Geraldine the Giraffe, but this one is Beenu. He says hi, and he loves snapping because that's why he can open his mouth. This is inside his mouth, and he has got shoelaces, and it's a he's a boy, and he loves his eyes. I don't know why, he just loves them. And he has got buttons on his shirt. His shirt is very colorful, and he's not that soft, but his hair is super duper soft compared to his other body parts. And I can put him off my hand or on my hand. Present, he is a puppet. What I was about to say is like, what is 1 plus 1, Beenu? 3. Wrong, Beenu. You don't get a special cookie. No, it's actually 2. Here you go, you'll have the cookie. What I was about to say is, like, I went to a different place which Beenu loves. It's my sofa, and Beenu loves sleeping on it. And now he wants to hit it with his feet. I don't know why. Naughty Beenu. He just hit me. He just ate me. My nose. Beenu! Not good, Beenu. Sit. Good boy. This is on my channel. Bye.